Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going through my room tour. I decorated my room. I have two separate rooms. I will get onto that at some point as well, but without much further ado, let's get on to my room tour. So walking in, I have a really nice little area. It is quite small, this room, so I've kind of made do with what I can. So there is kind of like an overview, bits and pieces. So first I have this triangle shelf. I've got a little Buddha on there. This was from Dunelm, I believe. And this just has all of my crystals on here, which I'm gonna need recharging tomorrow because it's actually the Pisces full moon, so love that. And then moving on, I was actually gifted this item from Wavves Co. I will link them down below. I absolutely love this. This is the coordinates of where me and my partner first met, and it kind of like a star print. I love it. And then going on to this little moon kind of decoration, the moon phases. This is like a wooden on a chain situation, and I got it from SHEIN. Then just going on to my dressing gown, as you do. So now I'm going to move over to my bedside tables. I've got a salt rock candle holder, a little Pisces candle as well, which I got for my birthday. And then my top drawer is actually full of all my wax melts from a previous brand collaborator, and then the rest are t-shirts. But these side drawer situations are from B&M. And then I have my skinny dip MacBook case, and then my wires, and under my bed I've got my Ugg slippers, my Minnie Mouse travel holder, and then these kind of drawers underneath are from IKEA, full of junk. And then going over to this gorgeous print from Desino, absolutely beautiful, same as the frame. I love it. I love the beach vibes anyway, so I felt this was very fitting. And then I have this plant from B&Q. I think it's a spider plant, I don't know. And the plant pot is from Misguided, I believe. I believe these chest of drawers are from B&M again. I think they are, yeah. And then there's me in my IKEA standing mirror with some foliage. And then going down, I've got my Disney yoga mat, my yoga blocks. I've got this plant from Argos, which I absolutely love, like a bamboo plant. Me vlogging. And then going up to this shelf that I got again from B&M with a wax melt holder in it, again from B&M. And then a picture of me and my boo. Frame was from Dunelm as well, which I love. And then moving on to my bed. So my bed frame is from IKEA. My bed spreads is from B&M. And then I just have my TV on the wall. And then these prints are all from SHEIN as well. They did come in a pack of 3, and I'll link everything I can down below. And then the frames are from IKEA. They were just handy, kind of standard A3 ones. And then my other bedside table, again from B&M, but I have a salt rock lamp on there, and then a little black candle. The coasters on either side, again, I got from SHEIN. And then these drawers are full up of all my swimwear and bits and pieces like that. And also some tights and yeah, those kind of essentials really. And then moving on to the print above my bed, this print holder frame is from IKEA, and the print is from Desino. Namastay in bed. That sounds a bit of me. And then my cushions, again, as you can see, from SHEIN, the cushion covers. So this is an overview of my room. It's quite small. I try to be as simplistic as possible. However, I do, of course, have some bits and pieces in here still. It's more kind of open and brighter rather than my previous room and stuff like that. So I like it. I feel more zen in here, which is great. So that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, but when you do, make sure you hit that notification bell, and then that way you'll be notified when I next upload. And I'll see you guys in a brand new video next Sunday at 5 PM. Bye!